Hi, my name is Kim Bruno, and I am a patient here. And I had several missing teeth that was very uncomfortable and very painful. And I ended up having a condition called chronic pancreatitis, which ended up with me nauseated and vomiting, and the acidity ate away all my teeth and all my enamel. And so I had very little teeth left, and I was in so much pain, and I could not go to an everyday function. So I did some research, and I ended up finding this dental practice that is absolutely amazing. I came in and we spoke, and we talked about all my options, and the options were full upper and lower dental implants. And I was very surprised when I was told it would be done within a week, and sure enough, it was done within a week. So I went from being in pain and continuously not wanting to go through each day. And once I got my teeth, I was very sore, but the soreness is absolutely necessary, and it has been an amazing experience with this practice. This has been the most incredible team that you will ever work with. From the assistants to the managers to the doctors to the anesthesists, everything has been right on target. I feel very blessed that now I have a smile where I'm proud to be able to walk out the door and I'm not in pain, and I can actually go through a day-to-day function and not be in so much pain that it drives me crazy. And they say that when children are teething, that if parents or adults go through teething, that we would drive ourselves insane, and that is the truth. So you definitely need to come and see what this practice can do for you, because it has just changed my life completely, and I can now actually smile. So thank you guys.